characters are here. Wow, let's introduce the colors. Wow, hello. I'm on the pink scent. I'm on the pink. Oh, I'm on the sky blue.
I'm on the yellow.
I'm on the orange.
I'm on the rainbow.
I'm on the white. Wow, we are awesome. We are in the sand. What are you guys going to do?
We're going to make something special. Do you want to see?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, here we go. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Yes, let's make something special. Here we go.
Yoo-hoo! Wow, look at me. I made a castle. It's a pink castle. Wow, look at me. I'm on the crocodile. I made a blue crocodile.
Look at me. I'm taking a rest on the yellow starfish. Oh, it's cool.
And now, hey, look at me. I made a fish. Do you know what color it is? It's an orange fish. Wow.
Hi. I made a rainbow dolphin. I'm taking a rest on a rainbow dolphin. Hi, look at me. I want to take a nap on the rainbow dolphin.
I'm on the castle. I'm on the pink castle. Isn't it great? That's what I made. Wow, I can see everything on the top of the castle. Hi, guys. Hey, guys, why don't we play hide and seek?
Oh, that's a good idea.
Wow, let's play hide and seek. Okay, let's do rock, scissors, paper. All right? Let's do rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper. What's that? I'm paper. No, I'm scissors. I'm winner. Oh, I'm it.
Oh, yeah? Okay, let's play.
Wow, someone is hiding under the dolphin. Someone is hiding under the dolphin. Oh my God, someone is hiding under the starfish. Okay. I can count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not? Here I come. Where are you? I got you. Oh, you got me? Yes. What are you doing here? It's very easy to find you. Oh, yes. I'm just taking a rest on the fish. Okay, come on. Where are you guys? I can't find you. Where are you? Oh, I see someone's head behind the alligator. I got you.
How did you know that?
I got you. Come on out.
Okay.
Next, where is... Oh, it's a big snowman, huh? Where is the other girl? Oh, I see her hands over there. Let's go. Hey! I found you! Come on out! Okay, you got me. And... Oh, and now I'm looking for... Huh? What's that? What is that brown thing? Oh my God. It's hair. I see hair under the starfish. Let's check it out. Go. Hey! I got you.
Oh my God, you got me?
Yes, coming out. Oh, I found all of them. No, you didn't find Olivia. Olivia? Where is she? Where is Olivia? You can find her. Olivia! Where are you? right over here. Where are you? Oh,
Find me.
oh, let's go up. Where are you?
Find me.
Where are you?
Find me.
Oh. Oh my God. She's right there, cheating. She's right there, sitting behind the castle. Let's go down. Oh, where is she?
Ta-da.
Oh my God, where were you? I couldn't find you. So, you're not it. We play in the snow. I love snowy day. I love snow. We love snowy day. Wow! Was it fun today? I hope you enjoy with snow. I want to see you guys again. See you next time. Bye! Where are you, Olivia? I'm here. See you next time. Bye. Did you guys enjoy to play hide and seek? Yes. See you next time. Bye. Today's book is Where is Purple Pup? Here is Green Pup. Here is Nice Pup. Here is Kit. She's looking for a pup, but not just any pup. Today, she's looking for a special purple pup. Can you help her find purple pup? Here is yellow pup. Here is green pup. Here is nice pup. 메롱메롱. Here is a mean pup. Don't do that. Olivia, how about you? You sometimes mean to your friend?
No?
Are you a good girl?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Where is Purple Pup? Have you seen Purple Pup, Olivia? Here is Slide Pup. Olivia, can you swing?
Yes.
Olivia, can you slide?
Yes.
Here is a Swing Pup. Here is a Plain Pup. Look at Pup. He doesn't wear anything.
Yes.
Here is a Bling Pup. Oh, wow, it's a bling, bling, bling. She wears a necklace, bracelets, oh, and earrings. Wow, do you have earrings, Olivia?
Yes.
Do you have a bracelet?
Yes.
Do you have a necklace?
Yes.
Good. Where is a purple pup? Where are you? Here is a up pup. Here is down pup. Here is a hat pup. It's a red hat. Here is a crown pup. Wow. He has a yellow crown. Where is a purple pup? I cannot find her. Where are you? Here is wet pup. Oh, it's raining, but I don't have umbrella. Here is a dry pup. I got umbrella. I have a red umbrella. Here is a proud pup. I got a medal. Here is a shy pup. I feel shy. Here is a short pup. Oh, I'm shorter than you. Yeah. Here is a tall pup. I'm taller than you. Here is gold pup. Wow, here is ball pup. You can jump up high. Where is purple pup? Huh? Wait, says Kit. Let's take a look. Here's Purple Pup reading this book. Hello, Purple Pup. What's the title? Where is Purple Pup? I'm reading the book. The title is Where is Purple Pup? Bye. Where is Bling Bling, Olivia? I'm looking for her. Where are you, Bling Bling, Olivia? Are you here?
Yes.
Huh? There's Bling Bling Olivia! Oh my gosh, she's a princess! Let's check it out! Show your hands! Here's a Bling Bling! rings, bling bling bracelets, bling bling necklace, bling bling hairband. And then say hi to everyone.
Hi.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.